Thanks for dropping by. My name is Whitney, and I've got a fun project to show you today. I have been redoing my bathroom. The first thing I did was to paint the walls green, but I left one wall blank, and what I did with that one wall is what this video is going to be about. I wanted to do something special, so I was looking up inspiration or any type of ideas I could get. I found a wallpaper I liked, which had a cool terrazzo effect to it, and I decided it was too expensive, so I was just going to try to paint it myself. I really liked the colors, so I brought the wallpaper into Photoshop so that I could sample each of the colors, make bigger sample sizes of all of them that I could bring to the store with me, and compare them to the paint chips that were in there to find the closest match. Make sure the ones that I got ended up looking good together. So I brought them home, and you're going to see the rest. So this is the wall I'm going to be painting, and the first thing that needs to be done is just the nice white base coat. But watching someone paint a wall white sounds horrible, so I'm just going to speed that on up for you guys. It's done. I'm done. Ah. Today is the day. I am painting this wall, doing the terrazzo effect, and I have no idea if it's gonna turn out okay or not. I've never done anything like this. I hope I can get it done in one day. I would imagine, right? Here's a close-up of how I went about making all of these pieces. I got a really tiny brush to do the outline. The wall wasn't completely flat. There's some texture to it, so sometimes it would take a few tries to get the outline straight. Then I would take a slightly bigger brush to fill it in so it would move a little bit faster. And then you just do that like hundreds of more times. Turn the water on myself. I did it! Here's what it's looking like so far. I think this might turn out okay. It is a project. I'm still hoping and hopeful that I can finish this today. With each color, I try to look at the whole wall and take away the other colors and just focus on the one, so I can kind of see how it's spreading on the wall to see if there are any gaps or anything like that that need to be filled in. I want them all to have like similar amount of pieces, similar amount of variety in size, similar amount of spacing, but not always be like, I need a gray one next to this pink one, I need a yellow one next to this gray one. So it keeps it sporadic and like actual terrazzo. But that is the nice thing about painting terrazzo, is that it's not exact. You can't go wrong. It's really just about preference and playing around with it. You guys, my hair is up. It's time to get serious. I am on the fifth color. I'm so tired of painting this wall. So far it's been 6 hours of terrazzo blobs. Does it look like terrazzo to you? I don't want to do this anymore. You guys, this is taking so much longer than I thought it would. I've already worked 13 hours on this thing, and today I've been doing the double coat, second coat. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. And eventually it'll be done. Someday. I underestimated this. You guys, that turned out so much better than I thought it would. I actually like it more than the inspiration wallpaper that I was basing it off of, which is crazy. Anyway, please like this video, and if this is the kind of content you're wanting to see, then please subscribe, because I have so many more ideas and projects I have for this house, and I'd love to bring you along all the way from painting more stuff to woodworking to retiling, who knows? I just want to do it all. So come along with me, and I'll see you in my next video. You're welcome. Oh, it's hot in here.